Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel, and today's video, this is a third single album by NMIXX. So dalawang version to, the Athens version and the other one is the Forest version. So soon, i-review din natin yon. So ngayon, ang i-review natin is yung mga photoshoot. So let's go! Ang ganda niya. So, ang Midsummer NMIXX Dream. So dito pa lang maganda na. Diba? Tapos yung sa likod, ayun o. Ang ganda. Sobrang ang quality niya. Sobrang premium ang dating. Ito yung kanyang center. Ito yung middle. Okay. So blank. Okay, so this is the concept. Sweet. Yung kanilang single is the Party O'Clock and the Roller Coaster. I like this roller coaster. Then next is here we go. Itong part na to, ayun o. Ayun. Transparent siya. Yung niya, yung mga text niya, ayun o. Kumikinang din siya. Ang ganda. So dito pa lang, bungad pa lang. Tingnan na naman natin sa photoshoot. Okay yung concept na to. So clean. Una, pinakita muna yung mga members. Diba? 2, 4, 6. 6 sila. Dati 7 sila. So ngayon 6 na lang sila. Next. Here we go. Wow. Okay. Ang ganda. The position, the color grading, ang ganda niya. Sobrang soft niya sa mata. Sobrang summer talaga ang dating. This one. Nagka-complement yung kulay niya. Ang ganda. Yung face nila, sobrang clear. And sobrang adorable. So, next page. Wow, si Bey. This is Bey. Ang ganda. Maganda talaga sa photoshoot yung pag ganitong close-up, yung eye contact. Makikita mo dito yung emotion niya. This one is good, si Jiwoo. Okay, next. Okay, so yun. This is much medyo na to. Sobrang warm ang dating. Ito naman, this is something morning, like yung kanilang damit. Parang kapagising lang nila, pero ang gaganda, no? Hanep. Sana all. Wow, it's Heaven and Bey. Nice. Ganda. Okay. Siguro kung si pa rin nandito, si Jiwoo, the close-up version of Jiwoo. Tapos lahat sila merong ganito rin, merong full face style nila. Ang pansin ko lang, hindi nila nilalagyan ng any text or names, fully photo lang. So dito, ito okay lang to kasi siya, pantay naman yung niya. Pantay yung ang frame. Okay. This is Bey. It's the same din sa isa. It's much better if this is the bigger version of Bey. So the color of the two is nag-match siya. But it's good. Maganda yung pagkuha. I like the concept. You can feel the emotion. This is much more light and vivid style, and so it's the same damit pa rin, pero you will see the background itself. Kanina medyo may pagka more on texture, but now this one is much more mas spacious, mas clean tingnan yung ganitong group. So I like it. So we go, this the light na. Okay, the red, let's have one. Nice. Flower, ang ganda ng pag-combine ng flower sa kanyang buhok. Okay. Isang kwarto lang sila. Pero bumagay kasi yung background nila is the same. Okay. Next. Okay. Ganda ng framing nito. I like, maganda kung meron silang tag-iisang ganito na katulad ng same version ng iba. Okay. But siguro yung bubble masyadong tumutog sa kanya. Well, this is the concept. I like it. Okay. Ang ganda ng ano nga dito. Ang ganda yung framing. Sobrang soft. Okay, this is it. The background, maganda talaga pag sa isang ganito. It's the same background, or may color na magkapareha, similarities. So maganda siya tingnan at hindi ka malilito agad. But then, ganda. That's it. This is nice. Okay. Para siya magkadugtong. Nice. It's Jiwoo. Ayan, Jiwoo. It's May. I like this. This is ang ganda ng pagkakait. Let's see this one. The lips of... Medyo malabo lang sa camera, pero ang ganda nito. Like this, and then okay, medyo hindi na ma-recognize yung kanyang face, the eyes. Why lagi nang gusto nila ng isang mata, and then okay, with Kyujin, bookmark and sticker. Okay, so yun. Nice. Okay, it's a home. Okay, this is nice. I really like to see this kind of poster na photoshoot na photo book na the same background, and the color is complement to each other. This one, nice. I like it. Okay, this is... Now, I don't know who she is. Okay. I don't think it's too small, or I think it's unnecessary na nandito siya. I don't know. And this one is good. Okay. This is the whole pages for Soleon. I like it. Okay, this is the group. Okay, we have the lyrics here. Roller coaster. Parang ano siya, kanya rin to eh, karugtong. I think much better kung mas bigger to. Tapos this is parang glimpse lang siya or something ganyan. So, much highlight yung face niya. Mas upper dito. Mas malaki siya sana. Tapos yung kamay hanggang dito. And then, okay, square version. Nice. Meron na ulit siya nito. Dalawang beses ko na siya nakitang may ganitong background. Saan ba siya? Gusto nila siya na nandito. Anyway. Okay. Oh, meron din si Bey. Mas maganda to kung much bigger. Much bigger. R. Nag-overlap siya dito. Then the spacing ng white is nandito. Kasi kung mapupunta yan dito, mapupunta lang siya dito. Still, hindi mahati yung mukha niya. Still safe. Wow! I like it. Okay. Nice. Nice. The background. Nice. Here we go. This is the final. Okay. But you know, the most na nagustuhan ko dito, hindi lang dahil magaganda yung mga mga kuha nila dito, and I like the concept, but napakaganda rin ng kanilang CD. This is the CD nila. Sobrang unique CDs.